the thing that happens with the mind is all of us are in a process of helping our mind understand that it does not have to protect us like it used to have to protect us, whether it was, childhood abuse, crazy stuff that happened in your genetic lineage that you know about, and you want to help, on that deep unconscious level, or past life stuff. Our egos, the flight or fight thing is prevalent. So have you done that? Have you worked on that in your records? Because you want to go big and broad. That's what you do. You go big and broad, and then you get really specific, because you're really specific about how you want to be more in alignment with the mind, body, and emotions working together as a team. That's what you just said. You didn't say it like that, but that's what you're asking for. So the mind comes in to keep you safe, and it'll clamp down on you. And what happens when your mind does that? You go to anger, because anger is a way of pushing back the energy that you're afraid of or that you don't want to have to deal with, right?
Right.
Okay. So knowing that, you're consciously aware of that, and you take that and you get your mind and you say, okay, you're safe. Let's put all of this fear of being hurt on all these different levels that we are just running that condition, right? Just constantly running that condition. Put it into the record keeper's hands, and let's trust. Let's trust that we're safe. Let's trust that we have work to do. We got stuff to do here on this planet. And it's going to be more comfortable if we can all get in alignment. Body, mind, emotions. It really will. And it's not hard, but it takes the repetition of it, because how many times have you heard me say in a happy hour or a boot camp, I am changed and I'm comfortable with the changes in the present moment. What you're doing is you're telling your mind to be comfortable with changing. I'm safe. I'm aware that the mind's you're trying to protect me, but I'm safe. I have a home. I feel safe in my home. I have a husband. I feel safe with my husband. All these things. I am safe. That is for your mind, body, emotions, and soul connection.